Hi, I am Diana Rodriguez and today I'm going to talk about hair pollution. How hair pollution is destroying our health. Actually, as the world gets hotter and more crowded, our engines continue to bump out their emissions, and how the world has no access to clean fuels or technologies, for example, stoves or lamps. The very air we breathe is growing dangerously polluted. Actually, 9 out of 10 people now breathe polluted air, which kills 7 million people every year. The health effects of air pollution are serious. One third of deaths from stroke, lung cancer, and heart disease are due to air pollution. This is having an equivalent effect to that of smoking tobacco and much higher than the effects of eating too much salt. What are the sources of air pollution? Actually, outdoor air pollution affects urban and rural areas, and it's caused by multiple factors like industry and energy supply, dust, agricultural practices, household energy, waste management, and transport. Air pollution is considered the silent killer. Why? Because every year around 7 million people die. They are due to exposure from both outdoor and household air pollution. Air pollution is a major environmental risk to health. By reducing air pollution levels, countries can reduce stroke, heart disease, lung cancer, and both chronic and acute respiratory diseases, including asthma. For more information, over 2 million people in Southeast Asia region dies. Over 2 million people in Western Pacific region died because of air pollution, and nearly 1 million in Africa region. Health effects of air pollution. In short-term effects, we have exacerbation of asthma, cough, wheezing, and shortness of breath. And in long-term effects, we have stroke, lung cancer, respiratory conditions, cardiovascular disease. Episodes of high air pollution increase respiratory and cardiovascular hospital admissions and mortality. And obviously, these reduce life expectancy. Deaths linked to outdoor and household pollution. As I said before, 7 million people die prematurely every year from air pollution, both household and outdoor. Among these deaths, 21% are due to pneumonia, 20% from stroke, 34% from ischemic heart disease, 19% from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and 7% from lung cancer. Who is most impacted by air pollution? In the children's part, we have pneumonia, and it's the leading cause of death in children under 5 years of age. Air pollution is a major risk factor. In the woman who was working in smoky kitchens are exposed to high level of household air pollution. Outdoor workers, because they are the people who work outdoors, such as the street vendors or traffic officers, are affected by air pollution. Here we have some solutions to air pollution. Invest in energy efficient power generation, improve domestic industry and municipal waste management, reduce agricultural waste incineration, forest fires, and certain agroforestry activities, make greener and more compact cities with energy efficient buildings, provide universal access to clean, affordable foods and technologies from cooking, heating, and lighting, and build safe build safe and affordable public transport systems and pedestrian cycle-friendly networks. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this information um, was from. I hope you like this kind of information because it's important for us to take care of the air we are breathing.